Ever feel like your life is on autopilot? You wake up, scroll, work, scroll some more, sleep, repeat. And somewhere in there, you've convinced yourself that next Monday is when everything will change. Well, spoiler alert, Monday never shows up wearing a cape. But what if I told you that 30 days, just 1 month, could actually change your life? Not in a become a billionaire by flipping NFTs kind of way, but in a grounded, real, holy crap, I actually feel better about myself kind of way. Here's the plan: 30 days, 1 focus per day. We're not overhauling your entire existence in a single burst of unrealistic motivation. We're building momentum layer by layer. It's simple, doable, and doesn't require you to wake up at 4 a.m. and drink celery juice, unless you're into that. Let's dive in. Day 1. Reflect honestly. Start with a brutally honest self-check. What's not working? Where are you stuck? No filters, no fluff. Write it down. Clarity is power, and awareness is your launch pad. Day 2. Declutter one area. Pick a small physical space. Your desk, your car, that drawer where socks and broken pens go to die. Clean it. You're telling your brain, we're making space for better things. Day 3. Define your why. What's your deeper reason for wanting change? Not, I want abs, but I want to feel strong and confident. Get to the root. When motivation fades, and it will, your why keeps you moving. Day 4. Audit your time. Track how you actually spend your day. You'll probably find out TikTok has stolen at least 3 hours from you. Awareness here is key to taking back control of your time. Day 5. Set one micro goal. Choose one tiny goal that supports a bigger vision, like drinking more water, walking 10 minutes, or reading 5 pages. It's less about the result, more about building momentum. Day 6. Learn something new. Read a chapter, listen to a podcast, watch a TED Talk. Something that grows your brain and shifts your perspective. Bonus, if it challenges your current way of thinking. Day 7. Digital detox light. No, we're not asking you to throw your phone in a lake. Just carve out 2-3 hours today with 0 screens. Go outside, touch grass, talk to an actual human. Crazy, right? Day 8. Create a morning cue. Not a full routine, just one habit to start your day with intention. Stretching, journaling, breathing deeply before checking your phone. It sets the tone. Day 9. Practice saying no. You only have so much energy. Protect it. Say no to one thing today that drains you. It's not selfish, it's necessary. Day 10. Move your body. Not a gym marathon, just move. Dance, walk, do a few push-ups in your pajamas. Movement helps mood, focus, and confidence. Yes, even the pajama push-ups. Day 11. Do a mini fear challenge. Pick something small that scares you. Talking to a stranger, posting a video, speaking up in a meeting. Growth lives right outside your comfort zone. Day 12. Journal the journey. Write about what's changing. What feels good? What's uncomfortable? Putting thoughts to paper is like giving your mind a deep exhale. Day 13. Reconnect with someone. Text that friend you've been meaning to call for the last 6 months. Human connection isn't optional, it's fuel. Day 14. Revisit your why. You're 2 weeks in. Go back to your deeper reason. Has it evolved? Gotten clearer? Re-anchor yourself to it. Day 15. Celebrate small wins. Seriously, you're halfway through. Don't be that person who skips celebrating progress, because it's not the final goal. Progress is the goal. Day 16. Visualize your future self. Close your eyes for 5 minutes and imagine where you're heading if you stay on this path. How do you walk, talk, think? Let that version of you be the compass. Day 17. Simplify your to-do list. Cross off the 37 unnecessary things. Pick 3 high-impact tasks. The goal isn't doing more, it's doing what matters. Day 18. Unfollow and unplug. Unfollow accounts that make you feel like crap. Curate your digital world. Your brain consumes what it sees. Feed it well. Day 19. Try one new thing. Break the routine. New coffee shop, new workout, new route home. Novelty wakes up your brain and makes life feel less like Groundhog Day. Day 20. Set a boundary. Let someone know what you need or what you don't need. Boundaries aren't walls. They're doors you control. Day 21. Practice gratitude. Write down 3 specific things you're grateful for. Gratitude isn't just warm and fuzzy. It rewires your brain to see what's working. Day 22. Eliminate one energy drain. Identify one thing, habit, task, or person that constantly drains you. Minimize it. You'll feel the shift immediately. Day 23. Give without expecting. Send a compliment, help a coworker, leave a kind comment. Giving breaks the cycle of overthinking and reconnects you with humanity. Day 24. Reflect on mistakes, then let go. Own a recent mistake, learn from it, then move on. Self-growth doesn't require self-punishment. Day 25. Listen to your body. Are you tired, hungry, anxious? Tune in. Your body whispers before it screams. Respect its signals. Day 26. Say it out loud. Tell someone what you're working on. Speaking your goals out loud makes them real and invites accountability. Day 27. Invest in rest. No grind culture today. Sleep, nap, breathe, reset. Rest is productive. Let that guilt go. Day 28. Define success for yourself. Write your own version of success, not what Instagram or your old boss said, just yours. What feels fulfilling to you? Day 29. Recommit or pivot. Not everything you tried this month will stick, and that's okay. Decide what you want to keep, tweak, or toss. Progress, not perfection. Day 30. Future letter. Write a letter to your future self 90 days from now. Describe how far you've come and what you're proud of. Seal it, digitally or physically. Revisit it later and smile. Here's the truth. You don't need to wait for a life crisis to start changing your life. You just need a plan and 30 small intentional days. This isn't about becoming a new person. It's about becoming more of the real you, the one who's been waiting underneath all the noise, the stress, and the self-doubt. Start today. Just one thing. Because 30 days from now, you'll either be glad you started or still promising yourself you will. It's your move. And isn't that the point of this? If you found this video meaningful, drop a comment below and share your experience. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might find this content useful. And as always, thank you for listening, and we'll see you next time.